How to add payment method on Shein. Hello everybody. If you guys are wondering how to do so, in today's video we will be guiding you. So open up the Shein application first and log in into your account. And once you are logged in, you can go to your profile in the bottom right corner. And from here you may locate up the settings icon in the top right corner of your screen and tap on it. Once you tap on it, your profile appears here and different other options are available. Look out for the option called My Payment Options and tap on it. And when you tap on it, here you will be finding option to add up a payment method that you are looking for. So go ahead and tap on add a new card, and when you do so, you can select what card you would like to add. For example, I would like to add the second card. You can select it up. After that, you can just go ahead and input the card number here. After that, the expiration date, and then the CVV 3 to 4 digits. After that is done, you can just go ahead and confirm it, and that's it. That is how you add up a payment method on Shein. Or you can even scan it. Just go ahead and follow up these steps, and that's it. That is how you pay on Shein app and add a payment on Shein. So therefore, if you'd also like to add up a payment on Shein, you may follow up these steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.